Hello everyone, I'm Henry from Songu Laser. Today I'm going to introduce our marker machine to you. This machine we already sold to many countries like USA, Japan, Korea, Finland, and Spain also. This machine has the working area of 3 meter by 1.5 meter, 4 meter by 2 meter, 6 meter by 2.5 meter, or larger one if you want. And also today we are going to demo the 12 kilowatt cutting ability of this machine. Now let's go to see the machine in some details. We follow the European designs also. Let's have a look. This machine makes a difference. It has the side door open design. It has 2 sliding door from here and also the front one. The safety sensor and the interlock is on the top of the door side. You can have a look. This is the SCAT handset controller and equipped with the 5 meters long cable. Why we keep this cable? The reason is for the safety issue. You know, when any emergency happens, 1 second is important for the life. We keep this real-time control cable. When any emergency happens, you can stop the machine immediately with no delay. This is very important. Now let's have a look at the monitor system. This is the real-time monitor. From the screen, the operator can check the machine running directly in front of the desk. And also in the apps, you can see the machine running anywhere. You can connect it to the internet. Now let's have a look at the control panel. Okay, the operators can change the angle to any direction they like. And also it has the USB connection here. You can use it directly to transfer the files. And then here is the keyboard drawer and also the nozzle drawer and also the store box. Now I want to show you our very clean electronic cabinet. Now let's have a look. You can see the very clean wiring environment of our electronic cabinet. And from the top, this is the Prestec laser head height controller and the Pierce safety sensor. This is the back-off drivers here, and also all the electronic components are from Siemens and Schneider and Omron also. Here is the all the wires connected to the machines we fixed in the circuit very tightly, so you no need to worry about the wire twisted together in the long-term running. Very clean, very easy to do the maintenance in the long-term running. This is the air dryers, Parker air dryers. Today we are going to demo the high power air cutting. For example, the 12 millimeters, 16 millimeters carbon steel air cutting. You must have these big guys to make sure there's no any water in the air. Otherwise, it will contaminate the laser head. Now let's move on to the water chiller. This is the best water chiller in China. It has the dual temperature control. You can see one for the high temperature, one for the low temperature, to make sure this guy works properly in summer and winter. And now this is the most expensive part of the machine. This is the IPG 12 kilowatt laser source. This is 150 kVA stabilizer to make sure the man machine tool and all the key part of the machine working properly in the long-term running. Okay, now I want to give you the demo of our hydronic lifting system, how it works. This is the hydronic station. It can make sure these platforms can hold 890 kilos. If the 2 platforms work together, will be almost 1.8 ton weight. So Frank, please show us how the shuttle table works. Go ahead, please. This is our machine maintenance SOP, so the operators can follow the daily work, weekly work, monthly work, or half-year work. And you can see the papers is covered and sealed by the plastic film to make sure it will not contaminated by the water and oil. And also, when the operators change their shift, they can check one by one which is already done, which is not done, they should follow or not. In this machine, we have 3 water windows. Even though they are small, but all of them are equipped with the less radiation-free acrylics. You can see the C logo here and this brand, Less Vision. This is the service door. Normally it is closed. You can see I can only open the door with the key. Now let me go inside to show you the details. Follow me, please. Let's have a look inside of the machine. Okay, you can see the roof is sealed, so there will be no dust and the foams go outside to make sure the operator will have a clean working environment. And also you can see obviously the laser head has a 45-degree design here. The reason we make this design is this machine is equipped with alpha direct storm motors, so it can achieve 2.4G acceleration speed, so it's really fast. So these triangle designs can make sure in the long-term running the laser head will not shake. We keep the 45-degree here rather than the 90-degree as the others. It's a special design. We have the IP here.